Many beginners enter trading believing that successful traders know when the next big move is about to happen. They assume experienced traders can predict where price is going next and are able to act before everyone else. But after spending enough time studying charts, something important becomes clear. Charts do not tell us what will happen next. They only tell us what has already happened and what is happening right now. This realization frustrates many new traders because they keep searching for a method that will eliminate uncertainty. The problem is that uncertainty is not something that can be eliminated. It is something that must be managed. That is because trading is not prediction. Once you stop viewing trading as a prediction game, a natural question follows. If nobody can know with certainty what the market will do next, how can traders make decisions at all? The answer is simple. Trading is decision-making under uncertainty. Think about other professions that require important decisions. A pilot does not control the weather. A business owner does not control the economy. A doctor does not control every outcome. Instead, they gather information, assess conditions, and make the best decision they can with the information available at the time. Trading works the same way. Traders do not have access to certainty. What they do have is information. And although charts provide clues about how the market is currently behaving, they can never completely remove uncertainty. That is why the chart whisperer focuses on confirmation rather than prediction. Each observation adds another piece of evidence. As those pieces begin to align, they create context. Better context leads to better decisions. Many beginners feel overwhelmed because they are searching for a single answer when the chart is actually providing multiple pieces of information that must be evaluated together. This brings us to the next principle. Protecting capital comes before pursuing profits. Most beginners enter trading focused almost entirely on making money. As a result, they often pay very little attention to how much capital they are exposing to a trade. Professional decision-making starts with capital protection. Because without capital, it becomes difficult to participate in future opportunities. Many traders also discover that when protecting capital becomes the first priority, it is easier to be patient. And with patience, there is less pressure to force trades that may not actually be there. The goal is to hold onto your capital until the market provides enough evidence to justify participation. At first, this approach can feel boring and slow. But slowing down is not the same as falling behind. In most cases, waiting for better information allows you to make wise decisions. These principles form the foundation for everything we do in Chart Whisperer. They guide how we interpret every candle, every volume spike, every momentum shift, and how price behaves around VWAP. This is where the core 4 comes in. Structure. This helps us identify where important decisions are taking place on the chart. Participation. This helps us determine whether traders are actively supporting a move. Momentum. This helps us evaluate the strength and pressure behind a current price movement. Location. This helps us understand where price is trading relative to important reference points and value. Together, these 4 concepts create context. Their purpose is not to predict the future. Their purpose is to help traders understand what the market is doing right now so they can make better decisions while uncertainty still exists. A lot of traders spend years searching for a better prediction tool when what they really need is the framework to make better decisions. The Core 4 provides you with that framework. Trading is decision-making under uncertainty while protecting capital before pursuing profits. Once you understand that, you begin looking at the charts differently. Indicators become tools instead of signals. Candles become records instead of forecasts. Confirmation becomes more important than excitement. We understand this idea may not sound exciting at first, but it is one of the most important lessons a trader can learn. It is the foundation of Chart Whisperer, and it is where everything else begins.